Honorable members, we did have some tempers. I am happy that my thought process, which emanates from your wisdom, could find some reflection. Everyone has had say, and that is the beauty and essence of structured debate. And we learn this from Constituent Assembly, that it is the structured debate through discussion and dialogue that in a serious theatre like this upper house, we give message to the entire country. The question is that leave be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. I want division. Those against, but those against, 1 second. One second. Mr. Vaiko, you are such a senior distinguished person. Very few people can have that kind of credential. You have traversed decades. When I was about to give floor to you, you did not allow me to give the floor. And we took 5 minutes. When I was about to seek your response, you didn't give me that opportunity. I will go by procedure. Trust me. If at all I have to lean, I will lean constitutionally towards this side. And therefore, why be in agitated mode? We have to mentally, persuasively, strongly give voice to our thought process. I have simply said, please, those in favor will please say aye. They have given. Yes, now I say those against will please say no. No. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The bill is introduced. Honorable member, you have every right to seek division. We'll take steps.